Hey friends, the steps I'm going to share come straight from the technicians who work in this well-known appliance repair shop. So don't worry, we're going to guide you through fixing it. When a customer comes in with their LG dishwasher showing the NE error, the first thing we explain is that this code indicates a problem with the water inlet. Basically, the machine detects that it's not getting enough water to start the cycle, or there's an issue with the sensors that measure the water level, and that's why it locks up. Many customers tell us that the dishwasher simply won't start and just shows NE. Some say, I tried turning it on several times and the same error kept showing up. This gives us a clear clue that it's not the electronic board, but how the water is entering or being detected in the machine. So, in the shop, we first check the supply hose and the water inlet valve. One customer mentioned, when I disconnected the hose, I saw it was a little dirty. I cleaned it and it started working. As the technicians always say, if the water doesn't get in, nothing else will work. And honestly, many times just cleaning the hose is all that's needed. Another common issue we see is that the water valve can wear out or get clogged with sediment. Some customers told us the valve was making a weird noise and barely let any water through. When that happens, the machine detects insufficient flow and immediately throws the NE alert. Sometimes the fault comes from the water level sensors or even a loose wire connecting the valve. One customer said, I checked the wires and one was loose. When I reconnected it, the error went away. That's why in the shop we always say, when NE shows up, follow the water path and check the sensors. That's almost always where the problem is. We've also seen customers report that the error appears intermittently. One day it works perfectly, the next day it comes back. In those cases, it's usually partial clogs, dirty sensors, or connections that aren't making good contact. With a careful inspection, it can be fixed without any major work. As for what the brand recommends, LG advises checking the water pressure, inlet valve, and level sensors first before thinking about replacing the electronic board. This matches exactly what we see every day in the shop, so that's the procedure we follow with our customers.